as a leader in an organization, I would want to be able to easily locate, the system, and really the written standards and how I'm supposed to operate, how the company's supposed to operate. I mean, are those accessible? Locate them, and then second of all, read them.
Yeah,
pick them up and read them. And and these commitments are made all the way up to the CEO that's signing off on this stuff.
yeah.
And at any level in an organization, you can pick up one of these documents or standards. You read it, and if it's not correct, mark it up and give it to someone to fix. Raise your hand, say this is not practical.
Yeah. Or if it's unclear, that's when you can actually get somebody that's versed in the language of the topic, or somebody with more technical expertise than yourself. Because, like you said earlier, sometimes it's delivered to an individual that may not be the most seasoned in the organization. So